TCR Machining was incorporated in 1996 to be a general machine shop, serving all kinds of industries from switchgear to valve manufacturing. To separate ourselves from the rest of the machine shops, about 11 years ago we bought our first Matsuura 5-axis machine. It is still currently in use. We just celebrated it being here for 10 years. The machine still runs 16 hours a day, 6 days a week. It's been so good we just purchased another one.
Thomas had very specific needs and wants, going from the old setup on his MAM 72 to move it over to the new setup, but also to utilize a lights out with a pneumatic system. To go from the conceptual design to the final product, that was something that was quite challenging at first, but utilizing the team that we have at Elliott-Matsuura, going on almost 40 years of experience in every aspect of the industry. Working with our customers and with our various vendors, we can overcome these challenges.
By eliminating secondary processes, we are now able to manufacture most of our components in one setup. That's why we went with Matsuura machines for the highest accuracy and output we could find on CNC machine tools currently on the market. Manufacturing our components for the Stripmeister on the Matsuura machines dropped the prices so significantly that we exceeded our sales volumes of wire stripping machines and needed to add another machine to it now. And we're predicting that there is an additional machine coming in the next 12 to 18 months. Unintended manufacturing with like 5-axis machine from Elliott-Matsuura allows us to be directly competitive to offshore manufacturers and therefore keep the work inside our borders and don't have to worry about shipping, supply line issues. Everything is controlled from us internally, and the parts are now cheaper as if we would have purchased them from overseas. Elliott has been there for us all the way several times where we approach them with a set of drawings or ideas that we want to manufacture, and they help us to actually find the right piece of equipment to make these components as accurately, as cost-effective, as timely as possible. But this is only step number one. Step number two is the installation and the training that is just absolutely unbelievable. Another huge advantage with Elliott Machinery is their preventive maintenance program. Over a decade having this machine, it still has the identical output of day one when we got the machine. The other unique thing is the financing program that they offer from in-house. We have used it. It was highly competitive, and the cost of the machinery towards what it actually produces is pretty staggering.
The whole idea is never to sell a solution to a customer. We want to be part of their family, their growth. We want to see TCR grow. And by having them succeed, that growth spills onto us as well. So that's something that we strongly encourage, whether it's on the technical side or on problem solving. That's something that we do on a daily basis at Elliott-Matsuura.